So do you think $2 is enough in negative 15 degrees? Oh, so you just thought you was gonna click on the video and you was just gonna see me confront a no-tip customer, huh? Man, I need you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm literally blowing up my Doordash account, confronting these people for y'all. Come on, man. Stop playing with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We finna go out and see if we can't cherry pick some fire orders on Doordash today. I'm broke as hell, man. I woke up, I say, damn, I ain't got no money. Well, you know what? That's why I like having the gig apps. Let's go out and see if we can make a couple dollars, man. Let's get it.
Two hours later.
Why they ordered this damn Mexican food and it's negative 15 and they don't know how to tip. This order came in at $4.25. I think it's like $1 tip on her, or maybe it just got declined enough to where it went up to $4.25. Either way, it's unacceptable, and we got to see what's going on. Got that mug nice and ready in the hot bag form. Got it zipped up. It's negative 15 degrees out here. I'm just like, look, you know, I don't understand why people think that they can use this luxury service and not tip. Like, you gonna get your food cold, you might not get it at all. Like, why take the chance of having something done to your food, having it be cold, or not getting it at all? We got some clown, miserable human beings out here, and they need to be told what's what. So you know what? Dash and Trader has no problem letting them know what's what. This is what I do. Let's get it. We about to see what they got to say, because whatever it is, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be a good enough reason, but we gonna see. Ooh, $2.
Are you Doordash? Something you ordered?
Said K-I-R-U, last name was G.
Caravel, did you order food? On his way.
Okay.
Where did he order from tonight?
Gilberto's.
Oh.
Yeah,
If I only
Gilberto's.
would have known, I wouldn't have had to go out in the cold.
Stop it.
Do you always wear a camera?
Only when the customers don't tip.
Don't tip, you wear a camera.
Yes.
So how do you know if they're gonna?
Well, because I've been doing this so long that I can tell what a good offer looks like and a bad offer.
Oh.
Depending on the restaurant, the distance, and where I'm dropping it off at, and the amount they show me, because they hide the tips. So like, sometimes I pick up really huge catering orders, like $500, $1,000 worth of food, but they'll show me 20 bucks. But then when I complete it, it'll change to 100 bucks. When you get really low offers, you know there's nothing hidden. It's just either a low tip or no tip, and this is one of those situations. What's up, man? You order some food? Hey, you ever heard of no tip, no trip? Man! Huh?
I didn't know.
No, I'm asking, do you know what no tip, no trip means? You ain't heard of low pay, no way? How much you tip on this?
It was like
You,
$2 something.
you don't know? You think $2 is enough in negative 15 degrees?
No.
You didn't know, or you finna get it no matter what. I'm not finna not give it to you. You gonna. So do you think $2 is enough in negative 15 degrees is what I'm asking you. It's not?
It's not.
So I would ask if you don't do that again, because there's people out here.
Yeah,
Look,
right.
I take all the bad orders. You hungry?
Yeah.
I got you, man. All right, man, but look, don't do that no more, man.
My fault.
I hate to embarrass you at your job, man, but you can't be doing that. He ain't tip. He ain't tip.
Young boy, man.
Young boy, they don't got nothing to do. They don't got nothing to do with nothing. You work.
Young boy,
Hey, man, take care of the drivers, man. Don't. If you gonna order, like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
All right, man, I appreciate that. All right. That's what I do. Y'all check my channel out. It's called Dash and Trader. I confront all the no tippers, so make sure you tip, or I might pull up on you.